Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change currency on Zerion mobile app. To change currency on Zerion application, open up your Zerion app on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the main home page logged into your wallet. After you are inside the home page of Zerion, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on App Settings. Inside the App Settings page, swipe down and then tap on Preferences. Click on Currency under Preference and select a different currency you want to change to from the list. Soon after, you tap on one of the currency from the list and Zerion will automatically apply the change. So that's how you easily change your currency within the Zerion mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.